quick video of the roof we're currently cleaning. It's in Albans, Hertfordshire. The homeowner has opted for coating because it looks a little bit like a patchwork quilt. They've had various extensions throughout the years, and I think the builders try to choose every single tile colour out there, so it looks a bit odd. But once it's cleaned, we put on a fungicide to wash, and then return once it's dry and put a coating on. I imagine it'll be in a few weeks' time due to our sort of lead times. We've got this back area waiting to be cleaned. All the front, all the hips and such will be cleaned. During the cleaning, as you know, we use rope access for safety and water recycling. So the water's vacuumed out of the guttering, transferred to the trailer where it's filtered and onto the main feed tank. If you're after a quotation, numbers 0800 298 5883. Thank you.